5 Best Planers. The item number 5 is DEWALT DW735 15 amp 12 1/2 inch. This item is DEWALT DW735 15 amp 12 1/2 inch benchtop planer. Used for woodworking, planers benchtop. The product is manufactured in Taiwan. The item number 4 is Porter Cable PC60THP. The Porter Cable PC60THP 6 amp hand planer features a heavy-duty 6 amp motor which provides smooth cutting in hard materials, with a max no-load speed at 16,500 revolutions per minute for smooth material removal. This planer has dual-side dust extraction that allows for flexibility to place the dust extraction on either. The item number 3 is WEN 6550 benchtop thickness planer. Remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life? The WEN 12.5 inch thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood to give it an exceptionally smooth finish. The powerful 12 amp motor provides over 18,000 cuts per minute. The item number 2 is DEWALT DW735X. The DEWALT DW735X 13 inch, 3 knife, 2 speed thickness planer has a powerful 15 amp, 20,000 RPM motor, 10,000 RPM cutter head speed, that handles larger cuts in wider materials with ease. The 3 knife cutter head delivers 30% longer knife life and makes knife change faster and easier. The item number 1 is WEN 6536 amp electric. Remember when you needed to smooth out those joists? Plane away chips, splinters and misshapen edges with the WEN 6 amp 3 1/4 inch electric hand planer. Perfect for fixing stubborn doors and fitting wood. This power planer's 6 amp motor delivers over 34,000 cuts per minute to your workpiece, slicing away any irregularities until the surface of your boards are aligned and smooth.